Hello, this is Nick from Digital Wood Studios, and in this video I'm going to go over the installation of our replacement caps. So in this example I've got a 1090 cap. We don't currently offer 552 caps, however we will be in the very near future, and the installation process for that will be identical to this one. So first I'm just going to go over the feature of this cap that helps the installation. So the way that this cap has been designed is that it's effectively got built-in springs, and the reason for that is that it allows for the installation into these caps and allows for just a wide variance of tolerances that, you know, different caps that or different dials rather that individuals may have. And it also just ensures that the springs are applying a force to the inside of these dials, ensuring that they stay in place. So when you're installing this, first thing you're probably going to want to do is just, you know, assess where you want this in terms of the orientation. If you want, you know, if you've got lettering on yours or numbering, you know, if you want it oriented to the 10, you know, totally up to you on your preference there. So then when it comes to installing this, the best way to do this is to really kind of find your corner in between two of these springs and wedge that corner into place and start compressing those two. And then what you're going to find is as you do that, you're going to still have, you know, these two in place here. And now I will admit this is a little bit tricky. You know, there's a variety of different tools that you can use to do this. And all you're really going to want to do is just slowly start working each one of these little tabs in place, just kind of compressing it inward so that way it'll slide right in. And once you get that to start popping in, snaps in place and you're good to go. Super easy. So, and then, you know, if you ever were to remove it, you know, you can take something flat, you know, either a little pick like this or a X-Acto knife, kind of get underneath it, pop it right back out, and you'll be able to you know, install it again and again and again, because nothing is breaking, there's no adhesive here, it's purely just the friction between this surface and the outsides of these little rings here. So you can, again, repeat the exact process we just did in order to put them right back in place, and you're off and running again. So hopefully that helps in terms of being able to install these. But yeah, hope that helps, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.